Benadryl and erectile dysfunction. 5 ways Benadryl destroys erections. Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how Benadryl destroys erections. Benadryl is a common anti-allergy drug that can help lessen the effects of allergens like pollen, animal dander, plants, and foods. However, it's not without risk. Benadryl is an antihistamine and it reduces the production of histamine in the body. Histamine plays a key role in the erection process, but Benadryl eradicates histamine in your system. And when histamine levels fall too low, you're definitely going to have a hard time achieving an erection. There are 5 ways antihistamines, especially Benadryl, affect the erection process. Number 1. Benadryl negatively impacts testicle function. Many studies have been done over the last 40 years to examine the effects of histamines on fertility. A research team from Argentina discovered that many of them reported a negative association between the use of antihistamines and testicle function in male animals. Specifically, the studies suggested that antihistamines disrupted sex hormone production in the testicles. Researchers in this study found that low histamine actually resulted in a reduced response to human chorionic gonadotropin. Human chorionic gonadotropin is instrumental in your body's testosterone production. It stimulates your testicles to produce this crucial male sex hormone. Number 2. Benadryl lowers the erection gas, nitric oxide. Benadryl can also lower the amount of nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide actually helps your blood flow more freely throughout your body. It helps regulate your blood pressure and helps prevent your arteries from clogging up with plaque. Nitric oxide's benefits for blood flow also make it critical for maintaining strong erections and avoiding erectile dysfunction. Studies show that antihistamines like Benadryl significantly inhibit the production of this crucial gas. Number 3. Benadryl is anticholinergic. Benadryl also blocks the substance acetylcholine in the body. Acetylcholine is a vital neurotransmitter that's highly involved in the erection process. It helps control your erectile response and strongly contributes to getting an erection. Given the importance of acetylcholine in erectile function, it stands to reason that anything that interferes with or blocks it will have a negative impact on your erections. Studies have confirmed that anticholinergic drugs like Benadryl can contribute to a greater risk of erectile dysfunction. Number 4. Benadryl disrupts sleep. As we have discussed, Benadryl is anticholinergic and blocks acetylcholine. In addition to being vital to your erectile function, acetylcholine also plays a crucial role in helping you achieve REM sleep. If you don't get enough REM sleep during the night, you will likely wake up tired the next day, and your body won't produce adequate testosterone. Number 5. Benadryl makes you feel lousy. If you take Benadryl before bed, you probably won't get restful sleep, and therefore it will make you feel lousy. If you take it right before bed, there's not enough time for it to fully leave your system by the time you wake up. If you are feeling lousy, you definitely won't have any energy or drive to go have sex. You're much more likely to have a strong sex drive when you're well rested and feeling great than if you're tired and feeling lousy. So, guys, that's enough for today's video. For more information on boosting your erections naturally, download my free ebook by clicking the link in the description box below. We will be back to you soon with another video with more tips on maximizing erectile function without the use of drugs or artificial hormones. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when the next video is uploaded. Until then, goodbye and peace.